You're not stuck because you're lazy. You're stuck because no one ever showed you which habits are quietly killing your ability to build wealth. Not the big flashy mistakes, but the small, automatic decisions you repeat every day without even realizing it. In this video, we're going to uncover the 7 everyday habits that keep people broke, and what to replace them with if you want to build wealth faster. Not 10 years from now. Not when the timing is perfect. But starting today. Because the fastest way to build wealth isn't to hustle harder. It's to stop sabotaging yourself with the wrong routines. Let's begin. Habit number 1, emotional spending replaced with emotional awareness. You've had a long day. You're tired, stressed, frustrated. So you buy something, food, clothes, gadgets, not because you need it, but because you're trying to feel better. This is emotional spending. And it's a silent killer. The rich don't spend to soothe. They spend to strategize. When emotion rises, they pause, journal, walk, talk. But they don't swipe. Because they've learned that buying relief only delays the pain and drains your future. Replace the impulse with awareness. Ask, what am I really feeling right now? That pause alone can save you thousands. Habit number 2, living by memory replaced with living by tracking. Most people think they know where their money goes. But unless you're tracking it, you're guessing. And guessing is how people stay broke. Rich people track, religiously. Not because they love spreadsheets, but because awareness creates control. You don't need to obsess. You just need to observe. Use an app, a notebook, anything that makes your money visible. Because what gets tracked, gets better. Habit number 3, spending first, saving what's left replaced with paying yourself first. This is the trap of I'll save after I cover everything else. Spoiler, you won't. Something always comes up. Wealthy people flip the script. They treat saving like a bill. A non-negotiable. It's the first thing that leaves their account, not the last. Set up an auto transfer the moment your income hits. Even if it's $10. Why? Because you're building the habit of honoring your future. Habit number 4, waiting for motivation replaced with relying on systems. Motivation is a liar. It shows up when it wants. Then disappears when things get hard. The wealthy don't wait to feel inspired. They build systems. Automation. Routines that don't care if they're tired or busy. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. So build one that works, even on your worst day. Habit number 5, consuming more than creating replaced with producing value. Scrolling, binging, watching, buying, these are all acts of consumption. And the more you consume, the more you feel broke. The rich spend more time creating products, services, solutions. Whether it's online content, a side hustle, or a scalable skill, they're adding value to the world, and value attracts income. Start small. Create one thing this week that could help someone else. It's not just productive, it's profitable. Habit number 6, thinking month to month replaced with thinking in decades. Most broke decisions happen in the now. Can I afford it this week? Will this paycheck cover it? The wealthy zoom out. They ask, how does this choice affect my 5-year vision? They don't chase comfort, they chase compounding. Delayed gratification. Legacy over likes. Start asking, will this decision age well? That's how wealth grows. Habit number 7, avoiding financial discomfort replaced with seeking financial truth. Checking your bank balance. Opening bills. Facing debt. These things hurt, so you avoid them. But avoidance is how the damage spreads. The wealthy lean in. They don't hide from the truth, they hunt it. They want to know exactly where they stand so they can make better moves. Looking at your money isn't scary. Not looking is. Here's the truth, wealth isn't about luck. Or timing. Or even how much you earn. It's about how you behave when no one's watching. What you repeat. What you tolerate. And what you replace. So ask yourself, which of these 7 habits is costing me the most? Then change one. Not all 7. Just one. Because the road to wealth doesn't start with a windfall. It starts with a replacement. A shift. A new standard. And every habit you replace pulls you one step closer to the life you were meant to build. Let's build it, faster, smarter, and with intention.